Neon lights flicker on the corner street. Palm trees sway to the tempo beat. 808s hum like a lover's sigh underneath the moonlit tropical skies. She moves in rhythm, hips don't lie. Echoes of the past in a firefly eye. Call and response, the crowd sings along to a melody sweet, a midnight love song. Whoa, tropical nights in the barrio, where the bass drops low and the passion flows. Dancing shadows, whispers in the dark, cinch like velvet, sparks leave their mark. Oh, cobblestone alleys, the center rain, old school vibes and a sweet refrain. Urban percussion, the city's heart, pulsing with fire, tearing us apart. Her laughter lingers like a vintage tune under the stars, drunk on the moon. Melodic synths weave through the air. A love story spun with tangled care. Tropical nights in the barrio, where the bass drops low and the passion flows. Dancing shadows, whispers in the dark, since like velvet.